Yep.
Yes, sir.
Snip, snip, motherfuckers.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This
Caught that fucker.
one is big, bruh.
Caught
Alright.
that fucker.
Oh,
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 why is that so easy?
that was easy. Oh wow, this is really worth like $10. Yeah.
Damn, why is that so easy?
Yeah, that was like cake.
That's a little scary how easy that was.
Imagine your
Let's try it out.
fuck that. Brand new 2020. Let me know.
Big old titties.
Little bitties. You know what I'm saying? Shit, it's gonna be a difficult one though, son. This shit gonna be cramped. It is though, look at that.
Training your whole life for this, bro. Come on.
Training.
Crimp gang.
Good. Crimp gang. Got a race called Crimping going on.
I'm on some shit. Hands are fucking hotter than the leather in the six in the summertime. I understand I'm only rhyming for this son of mine. And so my daughter could be a lawyer and reap the spoils. We ain't tuna, it's way Puma. My look is Jay Buna. Doggy, cause some of us should age sooner. I'm still twisted, rocking lizards from a strange river.
Shit, I should have covered that a little more though.
Fuck point shaver, check the bio.
For the first time, we've got the breaker in there. Got the battery in, not fully mounted up. Got the cover on the fuel pump. That cover looks ugly, but I can always just do that later. I'm not really, there's so much other little details I need to worry about. That I can deal with later. It's whatever's. But honestly, everything looks super good. Super good. So now we're getting started on the fuel pump cover. It's really weird because it's a little gloomy today. We're gonna do the same thing, hit it with the metallic, shoot this down. I'm gonna coat this one super good. the tank cover all done. There's a little bit of spots, you know, but honestly, looks pretty good. Gotta hit it with the clear. Metallic shines nice. If I was like super anal about it, I would get like all those little spots on before. It looks good. Time to hit it with the clear. Make it come more to life.
Cause it was Joe in a boss house, in a truck, take her to the